unlocking a world of knowledge in an instant. Ready for today's quick insight?
Stomach growling when you're not hungry usually means your digestive muscles are moving gas and fluids, which is normal. But if it happens often, is very loud, or comes with pain, diarrhea, or weight loss, it might indicate conditions like irritable bowel syndrome. When in doubt, consult a healthcare professional to be safe.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.